Okay, since we have the motor set to closed loop mode, which is what we did in the first video, and we have the run current set as well to a low enough percentage so I can grab it by hand and stall the motor. And in this video, we will go over how to recover from a locked rotor fault. And there are two different parameters that we're going to want to write to, and that is the clear locked rotor flag and as well as the error register. We'll want to reset back to 0 after we clear our errors. So let's go ahead and start with the locked rotor flag. We'll add 2 rungs here. And it's the same concept or the same format that we've been using for all of our other commands. We're going to write 1 to mdrive out.cf, which is our clear locked rotor flag. We'll go ahead and copy this, right back to 0, add a couple more contacts, and we'll call this B reset locked rotor flag. That should be fine. Oops. Make sure it's Boolean. Create. Do the same thing down here. B reset. All right. And now we're going to add a couple instructions to reset our error parameter or our error register back to 0, because it will hang on to the last error. And add rung, there it is. Add another rung, and same idea. Move block. We're actually going to write 1, and the destination is going to be mdrive out.er. Let's copy paste that down here and write 0 to it. Add a couple more contacts. And we will call this B reset error. Oh, let's make sure it's created first. There we go. B reset error. All right. So the reason that we write 1 and then when we toggle this off we write 0 is because the registers, if you recall from our move relative example, the registers will only update when the value is changed. So you have to change it to 1, then back to 0, and it will be reset to 0, the error register. Same concept here for the clear locked rotor flag. So let's go ahead and go online, download it first. Back to monitor tags. We currently have an error of 35. This can occasionally happen when downloading to the PLC, since it disconnects and reconnects as a program is downloading. So we'll actually go ahead and reset that error to 0 by toggling this bit and then toggling it again, and our error is now set to 0. So let's go ahead and jog the motor and cause a stall. All right, the motor should be jogging, which it is. You can see the position, see when updating here. I'm going to go ahead and just stop it by grabbing it with my fingers. And we should see error 107 and then error 104. Yes, there we go. So 107 is a locked rotor flag, and then 104 indicates a stall. All of the error parameters can be found in the M-code manual. There are, dozens. So to recover from this state, you'll notice that if we toggle off the slew command and then we toggle it back on, the motor's not actually going to move. That's because our locked rotor flag is set and we need to reset that error. So in order to do that, we can first turn off our jog command and our function blocks to reset or to clear the locked rotor with the clear locked rotor flag. Toggle that on, toggle it off, and then reset the current error. And we are ready to move again. Let's go ahead and enable the jog. There we go, and we are moving.